What's up, everyone? Gerald here with the Novice Angler. Out here, well, at my house. Yeah, it's been cold lately. In fact, today's high is supposed to be only in the 30s. And the past couple of weeks I haven't had too much luck in fishing. Not because of the lack of trying, believe me. In fact, the other day I went down to Indian Lake, which is about an hour and a half away from here. I was trying to target some cold water fish like perch, crappies, sawguys. Well, I was there for well over 2.5 hours. Didn't catch anything. And it's not until I was about to leave that all those people start coming in. And I realized that sawguys come out mainly around sunset and at night. Who knew? Well, I didn't. Anyway, folks, it's another Friday, Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving, but figured we'll do another Friday Blade Day. Today we're going to be talking about some of my favorite, more slimmer, lighter, EDC everyday carry knives that I usually use with me. But unlike your typical EDC knives, these are more of your gentleman's knife, or also known as your office-friendly knives. The kind of knives that's not going to be something that you pull out, and the moment that you pull out, everyone starts freaking out thinking that you are some kind of psycho killer. In fact, some of my criteria is that the knives that I like to carry, I like to keep it right around that 7-inch mark. Typically, I like to keep it around up to 3 ounces. Because the thing with me is that I have my keys in my front pocket. Therefore, the last thing I want to do is be weighed down with something that feels like a brick. Anyway, let's see what we have here. These are just some of the lighter, slimmer EDC knives that I like to carry. In fact, I did carry them to work. And it's not the kind of knives that is going to freak a lot of people out. Unlike if you pull out something like this thing, which is the Cold Steel Counterpoint 1. About a 9 or 10 inch knife. This is the kind of knife that my friends in the military like to carry. But for most people whose idea of using a knife is maybe opening up a package or some light food preparation. So anyway, just in the order of where from the least expensive to my most expensive, let's start off with this one. This one is the Kershaw Almar 3. Good quality budget knife. Very light, very slim. Fits right in your pocket. This one has your HCR13 MOV steel, which is a good budget steel, and it is a much better quality than your standard stainless steel. It is still soft, but for everyday purpose, it's a good knife. In fact, I use this almost every day when I was working at a warehouse. Overall length is about 7 inches, and I can tell you that every single one of these knives average only about 2.5 ounces. This one, nice thing about it, well, it have that Kershaw Speed Safe, which some people like and others don't. I like this one for the fact that it has that nice and bright red spacers right there. Has that deep carry pocket clip. And the best part about it, this knife, you can easily find it in most places for anywhere between about $20 to $30. I picked this up, I believe, for only about $20. I pick up a lot of my knives at on eBay. This one just arrived as of last week. This is made by CJRB. CJRB, who the hell are they? Well, they are made by Artisan Cutlery, a company that's based in China. China? What? Oh, hell no. Yeah, folks. The Chinese, surprisingly, they've been coming out with a lot of good quality products. And the main thing I like about it, it is just light, slim, have a deep carry pocket clip. And the nice thing about it, if you stick it in your pocket, people will think you're just carrying around a pen or something. But I picked this up for only $30. Has a good drop point blade on it. And this one actually have a 12C27N steel. Just another name for your Swedish steel, or also known as Sandvik steel. I do admit, I love the action on it, especially for only a $30 knife. It feels good. It's nice and light, it fits right in your hands, there's no hot spots or anything. And this is the latest one, well, one of the latest ones from Crkt. This one came out about a couple years ago, and the first time I saw it, I really fell in love with it. It's super slim, and plus it fits right in your pocket. It looks like you're carrying only a pen. This one is called the Crkt CEO. Reminds me a lot of your old school pocket knife or your physician's knife. But there it is, folks. Check out that drop point blade on it. Ultra slim. The only thing I don't like about it is that the pocket carry or the pocket clip is right side only. You can't flip it upside down. But the nice thing about it, it does come with your IKBS ball bearing system. Although the steel on this one is 8CR13 MOV, which is, again, good quality budget steel is what I consider it. It is better than your stainless, and it's pretty much your standard for a lot of your budget knives nowadays. Let's move up here. The next one that we have is your Artisan Cutlery, the Shark. Or I think this one is called the Mini Shark. This is the parent company of this one. Artisan Cutlery, they came out in probably, I say, about 2015 or so. And they've been coming out with a line of good quality budget knives. Has that nice drop point on it, satin finish. And this one has a D-tube steel on it. D2 is basically tool steel. The problem with the D2 is that it have a tendency to corrode and rust. Has a little tiny bit of jimping right here on the flipper. And D2 steel is a pretty strong steel. It's just, you probably just need to maintain it a little bit more often by coating it with a little oil. But also, this one have your deep carry pocket clip as well. And what's cool is that I like this blue anodized liners that's in there. And this one, I think it cost me only about $35 on this. Nice knife. Moving up. This one typically average anywhere from $75 to $120. And no, I didn't pay anywhere close to that $120. Again, if you be patient and keep your eye out, you'll find it on, well, I found this one on eBay I got this one for only $70. This one is the Urban Trapper by Boker. Ultra slim knife. Ultra lightweight too. I think this one weighs only about 2 ounces. This whole entire frame is actually made from titanium. You have your deep carry pocket clip again. Also, you're moving up in the quality of the steel. This one is VG10. VG10 is your Japanese version of like your S30V steel. I do like it. Has runs on the ball bearings, and it just feels good in the hands. This is the kind of knife that I can drop right inside my pocket, and a lot of times I forget about it. In fact, a couple times I completely forgot all about it and ran it right into the wash. But it's still a good quality knife, and if you take a look around, you can find it at a good price. Now this is the newest one that came in. This one I absolutely love, and it's probably the best quality one that I have from this collection here. This one is made by Ferrum Forge, and it's made by Mass Drop by Ferrum Forge, and this one is actually S35VN steel. Very good quality mid-grade steel. Definitely holds an edge. Good corrosion resistance. I think this one is on a ceramic ball bearings, but also it does have that deep carry pocket clip. Yeah, the price on this knife is that usually runs anywhere between 120 all the way up to 150. Of course, with me, I'm not paying anywhere close to that much. This is probably the most expensive one though that I have on this table. But this one cost me only about $80. And this isn't the original color that it came with. It came in a much lighter blue. I just decided to darken it up for a little bit. And anyway, that's just some of the more lighter, slimmer, office-friendly knives that I do carry with me. If you guys like this video, please give me a like and leave your comments below. Consider subscribing, folks. Anyway, you guys take care. Until next time. Hey guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that last video. If you guys did, go ahead, click right down below and watch some more. Just want to let you guys know that we do have our own little online shop where we have completely original and unique t-shirts, all designed by yours truly and my wife. T-shirts like this. Just want to let you guys know that we are running a holiday special starting from today, November 27th, all the way till Christmas Eve, where we're giving you 10% off on your entire purchase using the discount code down below. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Do appreciate all your support. Till next time, you guys take care.